Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about another access modifier, that is private access modifier in Java. So let's get started. In the previous session, I covered public access modifier. Now I am going to cover the private access modifier. So what is the difference between the public and private? So here I am writing public access modifier, and here I am writing the private access modifier. What is the difference between these both? Public means accessible to everyone, accessible to all, whereas private means restricted access, only accessible, okay, only accessible within the class in which that particular Java item is created. Okay, only accessible in within the class or inside the class in which that particular Java item got created. Here, public means open to all. Private means only accessible within that class. Okay, in that particular Java item only it is accessible. That's what private means. So let's take a real world example to understand what is public, what is private. For example, you have booked a hotel. Okay, you have booked a hotel near the beach. Now, since you have booked a hotel and you have booked a room in the hotel. Okay, so what the hotel guys are giving you as a thing, okay, a facility is that they are giving you some private beach access. That means not all the general public cannot access that beach, which the area of that beach which is there with the hotel, right? That area can only be accessible with the people who check into that hotel, not everyone. So restricted access only to that hotel check-in guests. This beach is accessible. That we call it as private beach, right? Private beach, right? This is a real world example. Public beach means doesn't matter. Anyone who is traveling to that particular location, whether they check into that hotel as a guest or doesn't check into that hotel as a guest, anyone can access that beach. That is a public. Okay. So some people don't like, uh, kind of places, right? They want some privacy and all. They will not go with public beaches. They will go with the private. Okay. They will check into the hotel as guests and they will enjoy their privacy by accessing that private beach. Okay, only the people who are checking into the hotel as guests will have the access to that private beach. Similarly, here in Java also, okay, only accessible within the class. Okay, if you specify something as with the private access modifier, the Java items like classes, variables, constructors, methods, and so on, they can be only accessible to that class level only. Outside the class, you cannot access. Outside the class, you cannot access those things. Okay, those Java items. Public means can be accessed within the class, outside the class. Okay, within the package, outside the package, within the project, outside the project, everywhere accessible. No restrictions at all. Here, restrictions are there only in that class itself, in the Java file class itself. Okay, inside the class only, outside the class not accessible. Okay, at least I'll try to cover at class level, guys. Okay, when you specify some Java item as private inside this class, right, only within that class where it is got created, it can be accessible. Okay, outside the class it can't be accessible. Anyhow, so so I cannot specify private before few items. Okay, when I specify private before a class, it is considered as illegal modifier. Okay, not all access modifiers can be specified before the Java items like classes, global variables, methods, and constructors. Some are incompatible, you can say. Okay, so I'll show you guys. Private won't work with classes. Okay, when you try to specify class as private, you will immediately get a compiler error saying illegal modifier error you are going to get. Okay, so can I use private with global variables? Yes, you can use. Can I use private methods? Yes, I can use. Okay. So can I use private with constructors? Yes, we can use private with constructors, but we cannot specify private before the classes. Okay. Private before the classes is not possible. So private can be specified before the global variables, global variables, constructors, constructors, methods. But when you try to specify, okay, when you try to specify private before a class, okay, it will give you compiler error saying illegal, illegal modifier, like this it will specify. Okay, let's see this practically, guys. Okay, let's see this particular thing practically. So let me take you to the Eclipse ID. Just give me a second. Okay, as you can see here in the previous session, as part of demonstrating the public access modifier, I already have created this car class where car is specified as public and have created some global variables. Okay, in the last session, I created this code. Okay, I have written this code to demonstrate the public access modifier. We'll reuse this in this session. Here we have some global variables which are specified also as public as part of the previous session. Here we have a constructor which is also specified as public. Here we have some methods which are also specified as public. That's the reason all these Java items like classes, global variables, constructors, methods can be accessed within the package, outside the package, within the class, outside the class, within the project, outside the project, anywhere it is accessible without any restrictions. Okay, right? But what if can I specify private before the class? When I specify the private before the class, the moment I specify private before the class, you see I'm immediately getting a compiler error saying illegal modifier for the class. Okay, you cannot specify private before the classes. Okay, remove the invalid modifiers. It's giving me an option here, Eclipse IDE. So it's not compatible. Okay, I'll just change it back to public again. Okay, so private we cannot specify before the classes, but what about this global variables? If I specify private here for this global variables, you see they are acceptable. What about this constructor? Can I specify private? Yes, for constructor also acceptable. Then what about these methods? If I specify private here, you see, acceptable. Private can be specified before the global variables, constructors, and methods, but not before the classes. Okay, classes only, there is a restriction. No, incompatible. Private is incompatible with the classes, but compatible with the global variables, constructors, and methods. Now here, you can quickly see here on the right side. Okay, so I'll try to open this inside the same package, this demo.java inside the same package, that file I will open. And here you can clearly see that there are some errors, right? There are some errors coming. Why? You see, class is still public. Class is still public because private is not compatible with the class. So I was able to declare this variable. Otherwise, I can, okay, here I can create this variable C. And just give me a second. And here also some errors are there. Let me comment them. Okay, fine. Other file, guys, that's okay. So here, you see, I created this global variable, specified this global variables as private, constructor as private, and this methods as private, but class I cannot specify as private, so kept it as public only. So when the class is still as public, so when I try to create a variable and declare that variable with the same class name, that is car here, you see, I'm not getting any problem because car is public here, it's not private. I cannot specify car as private. Okay. So it's not possible. If I specify this, what is the use of creating this class? That's what Java is saying. Okay. If you are saying the class as private, then why you created the class? Okay. That's why generally we cannot specify private for the classes. Okay. Car C is possible, but here the constructor is private. So can I create an object here? New car. If the constructor is specified as private, you see immediately I'm going to get an error here because the constructor here is private. I will not be able to create an object because in the object we have this constructor calling statement. How can we call a private constructor calling state? How can we, and this constructor calling statement can call a private construct because this particular constructor is can only be called within the class, not outside the class. Okay, this particular constructor can be called only within the class. Private means restricted to the access of this particular constructor calling is restricted only to this class. Outside the class, you cannot access. You see, over the mouse, you see, constructor car is not visible. Change visibility of this constructor to, okay, some other thing. Okay. So we cannot do this. This is not possible. Okay. So if this is not possible, let me comment this for a while. But I was saying that this particular constructor I can access or call within the class, right? So here I'll do one thing. I'll just create public static void main within the same class where this constructor is available. I'm creating a main method. And here inside this main method, if I try to, okay, if I try to write car C is equal to new car here, you see, I'll not get any problem. You see, within the class, I can call this constructor, even though it is private. Within the class, it is accessible, guys. But outside the class, if you see, outside this particular class, if I try to create, okay, this kind of object creation statement which contains this constructor calling statement, we are going to get an error because it is private. Okay, you can clearly see this, right? You can clearly see this, right? So, just to demonstrate, just to demonstrate whether we can access this global variables and methods, if this particular, if you are not able to, okay, if you are not able to create an object and if you are not able to call this constructor, because of you are not able to call this constructor, you will not be able to create an object. And because of that, can I use this object reference to call this global variables and methods? Not possible, right? Not possible. I cannot demonstrate further. So what I will do here is I'll just convert this for a while into public. Okay, I'll just convert this for a while into public just for demo purpose, so that even just to demonstrate this private global variables and private methods, I'm just converting for a while this constructor to the public. So now the moment I made this constructor public, I'm able to create an object and I'm able to call write this constructor calling statement as part of the object creation statement. And here, if I use this object reference and try to access company, you see, it's not coming in suggestions, but if I forcibly try to do it, you see, I will be getting an error because this particular global variable is also specified as private. Okay, the field is not visible, not possible. Same thing for c dot wheels is equal to 4, not possible. Error will come because wheels is also private. Okay, wheels is also private. Now what about these methods? Methods are also private. C dot start car, C dot. You see, I'm not able to get the suggestions by the Eclipse ID. IntelliSense kind of suggestions are not coming. But if I forcibly try to write it, trying to call this using the object reference, you see, I'm getting some errors like, all these private global variables and private methods, okay, private methods cannot be accessible outside the class. But within the class, here it is not accessible, right? Let me comment this. And here I'll change it back to private here. But within the class, guys, okay, I'll put comments everywhere because errors are coming. So within the class, I can do anything. You see, I was able to create an object even though the constructor is private. I'm able to create an object, and here we have the constructor calling statement which will call this constructor. And using this object reference, I can access company within the class. You see, company I'm able to access without any problem because this main method is inside the same class where this particular global variables constructor and methods are specified as private. Wheels is equal to 4. You see, I'm able to access C dot start car, able to access stop car, able to access. I can do anything because this particular main method is inside the same class in which this private global variables methods constructors got created. But outside the class, I'll not be able to access. Okay, if I uncomment this one, immediately you are going to get the error everywhere. Constructor calling statement, error is there. Where global variables, errors are there. Methods, errors are there. Okay. So hope guys you understood what exactly is private. Okay, you don't have to worry about outside the package, outside the project, within the project. Doesn't matter because outside the class itself, it's not accessible, right? Outside this class itself, it is not possible. Then why to worry about outside the package, outside the project, etc., etc. So here, access of this private global variables, constructors, and methods are restricted to the class only, to the class level only. Outside the class, private items can't be accessible. So hope guys you understood what exactly is this private access modifier and how it is different from the public access modifier. So with this, we are done with this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover another. Okay. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover the another access modifier or something. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.